To operate Siemens washing machine, make sure that the main switch is on. Open the lid, close the lid, open this cover and load the soap inside and close. Twist this knob to start the washing machine. Twist the knob to choose the program you want to set. Once you have selected the program, press the start button right here. You can also press these buttons right here for the program. Press the start button. Wait for the washing machine to start. Once the timer stops, you can open the lid back and turn off the washing machine.